couple of episodes ago, we did roast chicken in a clay pot. And we did vegetables on the bottom of the clay pot in a lemon sort of sauce. It came out really well, it was wonderful. But of course, you get lots of leftovers for the next day. So I thought what would be really good is if we do one with leftover chicken and the vegetables, we can throw in some greens, reheat the veggies with the lemon sauce. And with the chicken, we can throw in some lovely fresh mushrooms and turn it into a gorgeous pie. Gorgeous pie.
Are you ready? One, two, three.
The leftover chicken, the old shredded chicken, and these were leftover veggies that were in the lemon sauce. I kept the lemon sauce separate. I like the brown mushrooms, they're really cool. You know, a bit of onion and some garlic, some bok choy, chop up and put in with the veggies just to freshen them up a bit. Chicken stock, a little bit of the old cream, a little bit of thyme, maybe a little bit of tarragon, a swish of white wine, of course. Puff pastry sheet, a bit of egg yolk on the top to make it look very yummy. Here we are at the fry pan. I've added the garlic and the onions and they're going well. A bit of butter, a bit of olive oil. Now we can put in the mushrooms. Cut them into quarters, they're nice and chunky. So I'll put them in. Yeah, I know, I've got the glasses. You know, the hair, well, I went to get my hair done, try and clean up my act and look a bit tidy. 2 to 3 week waiting period. I don't know what I'm going to do. We've been talking about lockdown for ages, new outbreaks. We're still in the kitchen and we'll probably be here for a little while yet. Live gigs, all that sort of stuff. It doesn't look like happening for a while yet. So you're going to have to stay with me in the kitchen for a little bit longer. But at least we've got the guys who are awesome playing all the tracks. Got a lot of new songs. Good for the brain power. We're going to keep doing this for a while by the look of it. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you're okay with that. Yeah, yep. There's nothing wrong with a bit of tarragon. Of course, a bit of dried thyme. They're looking really good. I think it's time to put in a bit of flour. So we'll put that in. Stir that around. The next step will be the stock, about a half a cup. Oh yeah. I reckon a bit of white wine would be good. Why not? Bit of cream. Here we go. Let that simmer, eh? So I'd like that to reduce a little. So why don't we do that? We'll just let it reduce a little and I'll come back with the next step. Down in Jamaica they got lots of pretty women. Spend your money then break your heart. Lonesome Susie's in love with old Sam. Take me from the fire into the frying pan. On and on, he just keeps on trying. And he smiles when he feels like crying. On and on, on and on, on and on. Lonesome Jimmy sits alone in the moonlight. Saw this woman kiss another man. So he takes a ladder, takes the stars from the sky, put on Sinatra, then he starts to cry. On and on, he just sits there trying, and he smiles when he feels like dying. On and on, on and on, on and on. First time, yeah, the last time, it can make you feel so bad. If you know it, go and show it. Just hold on tight, don't let her say goodnight. I got the sun on my shoulders, my toes in the sand. My woman left me for another man. I don't worry, I just dream of Sultan. Let's toss up my heart and see now where it lands. On and on, he just keeps on trying, and he smiles when he feels like dying. On and on, on and on, on and on. On and on, on and on, on and on. On and on, on and on, really thick, yummy sauce there. So I think it's time to put our chicken in. We'll stick all that in. We had that lemon sauce that was with the veggies. I'm just going to put a bit of that in there. So that'll break down, and then just salt and pepper. Yeah. Bit of salt. Yeah, man. All right. Now we're going to spoon this all into the pie dish. See, that looks good. That really looks good. Cool, isn't it? There you go. There you go. I floured up the bench and I rolled this out a little bit bigger to go over the pie dish. You'll notice I put the mixture on a little baking tray in case it spills out into the oven. You don't want that. So this goes on here. I reckon it's sort of cool to let it just fall over the sides like that. When it cooks, crunchy, crusty bit on the sides like that. Little needle, and I'll put some holes in it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There you go, Connor. So, here you go, over top. Probably put this into the oven. I'll put it on about 200, and that'll take about 40 minutes. Then it goes. One chicken and mushroom pie coming up. Now, we've got the veggies just on really low heat. I put some of that lemon sauce in there, and that'll just melt down in there. I don't want to sort of hit it too hard because the veggies are already cooked. I've chopped up the bok choy, and I'll throw that in shortly. Just freshen it up a little. Bit of green. That'll be a nice little side dish. I'll just cook this, get this going. We'll bring the pie out of the oven and plate with the pie and the veggies. There's the pie. It's out on the bench, and right next to it is our little veggie dish. I have taken off the pastry off the top of the pie, and I'm just going to put some of this gorgeous chicken into the plate. So that's that one. This one. Obviously that'll be mine. I've taken the pastry off the top, so that just sits on the top like that. These veggies have got a lemon flavour, and with that bok choy in it, they'll just be gorgeous. That's it. I mean, that looks beautiful. Look at that. I mean, really? Are you serious? That's beautiful. That's it. Another Cooking with Bears recipe. Your good old leftover chicken. Throw in some mushrooms. Grab your veggies. Throw in some bok choy. And you end up with a whole new meal. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you even try it. So thank you so much, and we'll see you again soon. 2, 3.